Today we're going to use Puffy Stitch 3D foam. This was our first attempt, and what we had done is we stitched the bottom, we put the green on, we took the green off, and then we put the yellow on. We're going to do the second pocket, and what we're going to attempt this time and see if there's a different result, same result, whatever, and layer them. So we're going to do the bottom of the flip-flop, we're going to add the green, and then we're going to add the yellow, and we'll see how that works. So get this on, making sure that you do not get the jeans in the bottom. Okay, now that the green foam is done, we're going to leave it right there in place, and now we're going to do the straps on the flip-flops. We're just going to place the yellow right on top of that green and start the machine again. Okay, now that that's finished, we'll take it off. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove one layer at a time. So we're going to take the yellow, and it snaps right out. And then we're going to take the green. And that snaps right out as well. There are a couple spots in here we have to remove that green. 3D Puff Pro tool. Say that 3 times fast. And that the little pointed end, it will help us get in this corner, and tweezers helps get in those. Again over here. There we go. And there's a few spots that you might want to poke in that foam. This looks like another spot we could remove here. Trim it up a little bit. There's a string. But other than that, it looks really good. And we'll remove it from the hoop. Remove this from the pocket. And there you have it. Now that we have the 2 scenarios, this is the one where we removed the green and then did the yellow. This is the one that we layered. You can clearly see the difference on these, and I'll try to get that on video. This is all one layer. And then if you look at this one, look at the straps on the flip-flop, how much more raised they are. So try to get closer here so you can see together. And there you have it. Buy the Puffy Stitch 3D foam from All Stitch. Right now I am showing you the 13 available colors, and we have these in both 2mm and 3mm, and each sheet is sold singly, and they are 12 by 18. And then we have black and white in the 6mm, and those are a 9 by 12 sheet. We only have the black and white 6mm, so you would use the white for any light color thread and use the black for any dark colored thread. One other thing I forgot to mention, in all these colors, these 5 colors here are the most popular colors, and we do sell that in a bundle. And here I'm going to show you so you can see the thickness. The pink is the 2mm, the yellow is the 3mm, and the black is the 6mm.
All Stitch, all the supplies, all the savings, every day.